Wow. Woo! All right, nice and slow. I'm Sid, this is James. Hit it.
Hang on tight. Two-wheel drive Sprinter? No. It's a 4x4 Sprinter in rear-wheel drive only. No nannies.
Well, that works.
Works good. On two-wheel drive, let's see what we can do. This is floored. Floored. Nothing.
Oh my goodness.
Four-wheel drive engaged. Traction control on. Let's see if we can spin it. Now we're doing four-wheel drive donuts.
Too easy. That was close. Okay, so we have to keep going to turn around, yeah?
Yeah, I don't want to back down that.
No way.
No way.
Woo.
How's my back right angle? My back right corner? If it slides, it's sliding your way.
You can give it another shot.
All right, off the gas, off the brake.
You're good. Woo!
I'm going! I've never put chains on before. Today's not the best day to learn how. Stay over here. You want to drive down, Sid?
Sure. Don't look at that chain setup.
What chain? That chain?
What's next, buddy?
Where do you want to go, Wally? Where do you want to go?
Hit it!
That was amazing.
Huge open swath of powder, and you can just like, that was just absolutely absurdly fun. Wow. All right, well,
What do you think?
that worked.